Discord is one of the free VoIP applications available that's popular among the gaming community. On a Windows PC, you can use the web app or dedicated app to do voice chats or send text messages to your video game teammates, thus creating a lively game community. While this is quite a stable platform, there are some issues that you might experience with it. There are several factors that can cause this particular problem, ranging from a corrupted file to a bug in the update. In this latest video of our troubleshooting series, we will tackle the Discord keeps crashing issue. How to fix Discord keeps crashing. Before doing the recommended troubleshooting steps for this particular problem, it's best to refresh the Windows 10 operating system by restarting your computer. Surprisingly, this simple step can fix most of the issues that you might encounter with your computer. First, try turning on legacy mode. To do this, open Discord app. Then, click on User Settings, an icon that looks like a gear located at the right side of your avatar. Then, at the left panel, click on Voice and Video. Next, scroll down to find Audio Subsystem section. Then, click on Audio Subsystem section and then select Legacy. A prompt message appears which says changing the audio subsystem will quit and relaunch Discord. Are you sure you want to do this? Click on OK to confirm. Now check if the Discord keeps crashing issue still occurs. Next, delete updated Discord contents. If the problem is caused by corrupted cache data, this step needs to be done. Don't worry, as this is just temporary data which will be recreated. To do this, at the search bar of your Windows Explorer, located at the lower left, type %appdata%\discord and press enter. Then, locate and double-click cache folder. Next, delete all the files from this folder. Hold the Control key and press A to highlight everything on cache folder. Right-click on it and click on Deletes. Confirm any additional prompts. Next, go back to the Discord folder and double-click Local Storage folder. Next, delete all the files from this folder. Hold the Control key and press A to highlight everything on Local Storage folder. Right-click on it and click on Delete. Confirm any additional prompts. If the issue still persists, then do these additional steps. First, at the search bar of your Windows Explorer, located at the lower left, type %appdata% and press enter. Then, find the Discord folder, then right-click the Discord folder and select Delete. Confirm any additional prompts. Next, click on App Data at the address bar of your Windows Explorer. Then, click on Local folder. Then at the local folder, find Discord folder. Right-click on it and click on Delete. Next, press Windows key +R to open Run dialog box. Then at the Run dialog box, type appwiz.cpl and press enter or click on OK to open Programs and Features. At the Programs and Features section, locate and select Discord app. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Then follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall it. Once the system has rebooted, reinstall Discord on your browser on this website. Then check if the issue of Discord crashing still occurs. After following the methods mentioned, you have successfully fixed Discord keeps crashing issue. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.